So today is washing day. How excited, not? So usually I do washing once a week. I don't have a washing machine in the caravan. A lot of people have asked us that before. It was a hard choice, but where we have all the kids' clothes, that's where it would have gone. And we just didn't want to have to think of another place to put their clothes. They don't have a lot of clothes, but you know, it's a couple of drawers that I would have had to find space for somewhere else. So for hanging up the washing, Josh has made a clothesline that goes along the awning. They're really cool, really handy. And we also have one of those pop-up clotheslines as well that you can get from like any camping store, caravan store, Anaconda, BCF, wherever. They just pop up, pop down, and they're really, really easy, especially if you're traveling full time. They don't take up much storage. So yeah, that's just a few little washing tips if you're ever interested. But yeah, I usually just do it once a week and make sure you know, we just reuse clothes if it's not too hot and stuff like that. So yeah, hope that helps. What happened to your legs, Riley?
Muddy bite.
Show me. Oh my goodness.
Ow. Don't touch it.
He's got like welts. When
See?
did that happen? Hang on, I'm taking a video. When did that happen? This morning maybe?
Yeah, when I jumped.
Oh, when you were down by the river with Dad.
Yeah.
So we have changed plans. We're meant to be leaving Big 4 today. It's Sunday today. So we have met a really nice family, and Riley's really getting along with their little girl, Elise. So we have decided to travel for a little bit with them. So we're going to do some free camping and we'll leave here on Thursday. So yeah, that's the plan. So I think we'll end up being here at this Big 4 for like 2.5 weeks or something like that. So yeah, keen to do some free camping though and have a fire and yeah, just do something a little bit different. What's on the menu?
Oh, we're having nachos.
Oh,
Bit of smoko. Weber casserole dish.
Oh yeah.
Doritos, salsa, cheese.
And avocado.
Avocado. Nice, easy, quick meal.
Snack.
Smoko, really, isn't it? So one of the best things about the Weber casserole dish is it comes with the clip-on handles. There is one for each side to lift that out. Once you're done cooking with it, literally just clip that on and lift it out and sort of carry it into where you want it. Nice and non-stick, as you can see, with melted cheese in there as well with the nachos. So they're a really good addition to add to your Weber collection, I feel.
Down at the beach today, aren't we, buddy? Our favourite
I'm
place.
gonna take my Wednesday.
Oh yeah, yes, we're going to take Ellie there, aren't we?
Thanks for watching.
Oh god, thank you for watching, and make sure you hit subscribe to never miss out on an episode, and keep following our adventures around Australia.
Off to a very interesting camping spot next
Oh
time.
yes,
Stay tuned for that one.
free camping coming.